as we kind of think about what the banks are going through right now, right, with the disruption of new business models, of how consumers are looking at purchasing their finance products, for example, like what you said. So that ability to change the culture within the bank, right, from a pretty much a very governance-driven, regulatory-driven environment to an environment that needs to be a lot more agile and adaptive. And that change is difficult. And I think what we need, I think the biggest challenge is how do we fundamentally transform the culture within that bank to customer centricity, which is what you said. And by being customer centric, you begin to sense and respond what the customer needs us, and that will allow you to begin to change. So you create the why, and the why is the customer, and the why will now begin to change that culture internally. So that is that catalyst of change that the bank needs to begin to adopt. So shifting their focus from a product-centric world of saying, I need to make money in a bank, to a customer-centric world where now, in order to sense and respond, you've got to be more agile and more adaptive.